So guys, for the first step, you're gonna head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're gonna click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the second step, you're gonna head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you have to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you're gonna type in SFC /scan now and then click on enter. And now you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, we're now going to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then click on enter again. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once you complete this final scan, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.